To submit your Google Doc to receive your badge, you will need to share it with me in a Google form. The first thing you'll do on the page of your document is put your name, of course, then go over to share, copy the link, then go back to the web page. On the Google G Suite page under Google Docs, there is a Google form. Click on that, fill in the information. I'm just going to pick for NR. This is a Google Doc. Go to Next. Then you're going to paste the link to your doc here. I've given you the shortcut, Control V, and then you hit Submit. Once I receive your information, I will get you your badge. Good job.